girl, hey.
Hola.
We're on an adventure.
We finished part 1, 2 more parts to go.
Oh my gosh, this is gonna be like a day of traveling. Oh my god, I have a pimple. So my body yesterday was like, guess what you need before your trip? A pimple. We're getting on. Oh my goodness. Alright, after about 7.5 hours.
One more flight to go.
We have one more to go. And let's see, what time is it back at home? Like 1 o'clock in the morning? And here it's like 5 o'clock in the morning.
I'll tell you right now.
OMG, we have finally made it to Barcelona. And we are literally running on like 23 hours. In like 1 hour, we'll be 24 hours awake. We made it to the hotel. Wow.
Finally made it.
I'm gonna pass out. Oh, girl. Cute.
I am ready to pass out.
Hours later, and some rest. I feel refreshed. We're having some food. OMG, it's the day of the cruise. We got our Zuckies. Fully rested, ready to go.
Okay. May I help you?
Yes, by loving me. Don't you just want to punch him in the face? Just got out of the Uber. It's right there, bitches! Here we go! He is jamming. Oh.
Gate 14.
Let's see our room. There's still people out there waiting to get on. Oh, well, I'm on. Oh shit, it's coming. Wow.
Already, but we like it! In a few moments, we're going to be toasting to all of you naughty, naughty sailors. So in the meantime, grab a glass of those tiny bubbles, soak in the view, and get to know your happenings cast as we prepare to set sail. DJ, hit it!
Yeah. Ready for some bubbles? Sure. Yay!
Australia!
Girl, I just had my first Bloody Mary. It tastes so gross.
Tastes like I'm drinking cocktail sauce out of some fucking straw.
My mouth is on fire.
Whoever enjoys Bloody Mary is a psychopath.
So we're on a quest. Bloody Mary. We got 2 cards so far. We need to collect 6. And then get 6. These 6.
Gotta catch them all, gotta catch them all.
Gotta catch them all. Gotta catch them all. Pokemon.
Oh, look what's going on here. All in your dirty, dirty pajamas. Do you think it's time for a PJ party? Well, we
Oh my god. There is a lot going on this ship. Wow. 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 OMG. It's Monday, June 2nd. And we've made it to Cannes, France. Let's take a look. I'm wearing my SpongeBob shirt. Bam. Made it.
Yeah, that wasn't too bad. I thought it was gonna be longer.
Good morning.
A few minutes of progress. Fantastic. Okay, so we are seated. I kindly ask you to fasten your seatbelts, ladies and gentlemen. It's law in France.
I gotta find it. Where would it be? Is it under my...
Rebuild, amplified, but that's the place where they had at the time just the guards in something like 20 months, not more. That's when this gentleman here came into being, Francesco Grimaldi.
That's a lot of balls. Whoa.
Don't panic.
Iconic! Iconic. It's the next day. We having some brunchies at Basil Dairy. We're in our Stitch gear. Hey girl. Okay, so there's a lot of gays. Are you ready? Going down. Where are we going down to? 2 miles. I'm gonna tell her to haunt you. We're gonna go paint and drink. Sounds fun.
Paint and boozy beverage.
Booty? I heard that booty. Booty.
Deck 7.
Yeah, let's shake that booty. Oh! Escándalo.
On board this beautiful Scarlet Lady. If you didn't know, we're on a ship. Hey guys, we are on a ship. Welcome to Painting and Boozy Bevies. If you also like, what did I sign up for? You are painting and drinking, which is a great time,
Love.
right? Yes, give a round of applause. for great.
That's everything.
Yeah.
That's everything.
You know, but it's like an auction, so like it's like a.
Oh, I saw that today. I didn't know that was a painting thing.
Yeah, so it's a 3-day event. So like the second day is like the painting. It's a
It's a column.
All right. It is what it is.
How are you?
I was just looking for staying here just to finish. You're thinking you are the one who...
Good.
Yeah.
I think so. Bob Rossi.
We had a good time. I found that I'm not.
All right. It is Wednesday, and we're heading out into Mallorca. All right, we have made it on ground. Boop. Yeah. All right, so we're taking a tour. I'm hoping that it's not like the last one. The last one was good, don't get me wrong, but I feel like near the end it was just like a lot of talking and I just wanted to sleep. So I'm hoping that our tour guide is animated, we're ready to go, excited. So here we go.
Very Spanish, huh? Carmen. And I'm going to be your guide today. Today I'm not alone, I'm a driver, and the driver today is Juanma. Juanma, good morning. Muy buenos días. Wow, I think I'm a happy guy, but here happy people, yeah? The Italian people, corazón, what means corazón? Heart. And this name for the city means mano sosteniendo un corazón, hand holding a heart.
So we're continuing our journey with the Clyde cocktail collection. And we have 2 left.
Right here. Double entendre. You fucked up in here.
Okay, I'm sorry, I've been failing. I had a few drinks, ate a few things. We're at dinner. Yum. I've missed a few dishes. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, y'all. Oh my gosh, y'all. We're in Ibiza. I feel like everyone's been super excited for this one. It's Thursday. Wow. So beautiful. All right, so we're getting ready. Danny's in the shower and we're gonna be heading out. We're gonna be taking a tour. We're gonna hit some like museums, some tourist sites. It should be fun. And then it ends off with some sangria and then we'll head back and I have no idea what tonight's gonna have. We'll see. It looks like a new journey awaits.